Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism. To minimize impact and preserve heritage through sustainable tourism, we must reconsider how we explore the world. Basically, we are making sure we travel in a way that doesn't hurt the environment or local people. Eco-conscious lodging. As a foundational element of sustainable tourism, eco-conscious lodging allows us to curb consumption and utilize renewables in our hotels. In simple terms, we are staying in places that use solar power and don't waste water. Bioclimatic Design. Bioclimatic design is a sophisticated branch of eco-conscious lodging used to harmonize structures and optimize airflow with the environment. This means we are building hotels that stay cool naturally without needing big machines. Passive ventilation. Through clever passive ventilation, bioclimatic design helps to circulate air and reduce cooling costs in tropical climates. To put it simply, we are using the wind and open windows to keep the rooms fresh and cold. Waste neutralization. Another vital aspect of eco-conscious lodging is waste neutralization, which works to eliminate refuse and recycle resources for a cleaner stay. Essentially, we are making sure that a hotel produces zero trash that goes into the ground. Composting systems. Effective composting systems are a part of waste neutralization used to decompose scraps and enrich soil in the hotel gardens. In other words, we are turning old food into dirt to help flowers grow instead of throwing it in the bin. Authentic immersion. To foster empathy and bridge cultures, authentic immersion is a key strategy of sustainable tourism that moves beyond basic sightseeing. Simply put, we are trying to live like a local person to truly understand their way of life. Linguistic engagement. Linguistic engagement is a functional layer of authentic immersion used to facilitate dialogue and master nuances of a new language. This means we are trying our best to speak the local tongue so we can make real friends. Dialect acquisition. Within the scope of linguistic engagement, dialect acquisition allows travelers to learn idioms and mirror speech patterns of the region. In short, we are picking up the local slang and accents to show respect and fit in better. Indigenous Integration. Indigenous integration is a core pillar of authentic immersion designed to empower locals and respect customs of the land. Basically, we are making sure that the original people of a place are the ones leading the tours and telling their stories. Artisanal support. By providing artisanal support, Indigenous integration helps to fund craftspeople and buy locally made products. To put it simply, we are buying handmade bowls or clothes from the person who made them instead of a big store. Carbon mitigation. Carbon mitigation is a necessary requirement for sustainable tourism to neutralize emissions and combat warming caused by travel. Effectively, we are trying to fix the damage our transportation does to the air. Modal shifting. Modal shifting is a practical application of carbon mitigation used to favor trains and avoid flights for short distances. In other words, we are choosing to take a train instead of a plane because it is much cleaner for the planet. Intermodal Rail. Intermodal rail is the infrastructure for modal shifting that helps to link tracks and simplify routes between major cities. Simply put, we are using a network of fast trains to get around the country easily and safely. Offset sequestration. Offset sequestration is a secondary branch of carbon mitigation used to balance output and capture carbon through environmental projects. Essentially, we are paying to remove CO2 from the air to make up for the gas our plane produced. Reforestation projects. Through global reforestation projects, offset sequestration works to plant trees and restore nature in damaged areas. To put it simply, we are paying to grow new forests to cancel out the pollution from our vacation. Ethical itineraries. Ethical itineraries are a moral component of sustainable tourism designed to uphold standards and protect fauna from mistreatment. In essence, we are making a travel plan that is kind to animals and fair to workers. Animal welfare. Animal welfare is a critical focus of ethical itineraries used to ban exploitation and ensure health for wildlife. This means we are refusing to ride elephants or visit shows where animals are forced to perform for tourists. Sanctuary oversight. Sanctuary oversight is a protective layer of animal welfare used to monitor care and verify safety at wildlife centers. In other words, we are double-checking that a rescue center is actually helping animals and not just acting for money. Seasonal balancing. Seasonal balancing is a strategic goal of ethical itineraries to redistribute crowds and prevent strain on local infrastructure. Basically, we are trying to visit famous places at different times of the year so they don't get too busy. Off-peak exploration. By choosing off-peak exploration, travelers use seasonal balancing to visit early and enjoy quiet without the summer rush. In short, we are going to popular cities in the winter so we don't contribute to over-tourism in July. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.